my channel. My name is Lorlla. If this is your first time in seeing any of my videos, you're welcome and I hope you stay. So today guys, we're going to be making a wig from the weave. I got it from Iconic Units on Instagram. It is so lush. The quality is superb. It is so soft. It is silky. I love this hair so much. So if you're interested in watching what magic I'm going to perform with this hair, stay tuned, keep watching. Let's get right into the video without further ado. Oh crap!
Oh my gosh! So to start off, we're going to be needing a mannequin head, a dome cap, our needle, thread, a pair of scissors, and some T-pins. So the first thing I do is I place the dome cap on the mannequin head and pin it down on all sides just to secure it. So the closure I'm using today is 14 inches. I'm just gonna wear it on the dome cap just as you would wear your wig, and please note that you should place the closure just below the dome cap, let's say an inch or half an inch, and pin it down. I pin the back, the front, and the sides of the lace closure. So let's just start making our thread, keeping in mind that we have to make 3 knots at the end of the thread. That is how I usually do mine. To start, I was sewing. I insert the needle in the dome cap, passing it through the lace closure in a straight line 3 times on the same spot, just to secure the ends or the starting point of our wig. So I insert the needle in the lace again through the dome cap, but this time around, instead of going in a straight line with the needle, I make a loop and pass the needle through it. I hope you guys are flowing with me because I want us to be on the same page before I move to the next step. I would show you a closer look now. So I insert the needle, make a loop, pull, and that's it. Insert, make a loop with the thread, pass the needle through it, and that's it. It's just so easy. So this method would give us a tight sewing and a clean thread line. This has always worked for me. So I'm just going to do the same. I'm just going to repeat the same process over and over. But in order to save us some time, I'm just going to speed up this side. So now that we're done sewing our lace closure, I'm just gonna take the weave and separate the tracks. You can see that the weft is so tight, which I really love. Taking a track of the weave, I'm gonna start sewing one end just as we did with the beginning of our lace closure. I'm just gonna sew the end really tight to secure it, then go ahead to also pin down the other end of the track. Repeating the same process we did while sewing our lace closure, I'm passing the needle through the dome cap and into the weft of my weave, then making a loop with the thread to pass the needle to thereby securing the weave. Woof, that sounds like a mouthful. So I'm going to repeat the same process until I get to the end of the track. So now we're at the end of the track. I see some people cut their track once they get to the end of the track, but that's what works for them. So what I do is I flip and sew. I run a needle through the folded end of the weave, and I just use that to lock down that end, and I take a T-pin to just also secure the weave, and I continue sewing. Finally, I'm done with my sewing. Unfortunately, my camera went off in the process, so what I did was cut off the excess dome cap underneath the lace, just for the lace to be revealed, you know, just give it that natural finishing. You don't want your dome cap underneath your lace. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking my needle and thread to run and just secure that cut off part with the lace closure. So I'm gonna keep sewing till I get to the end of the lace closure. I'm gonna sew all round just to give us that secured finishing. So this is what my wig looks like. I'm not a professional, but I think I did a good job with this wig. Look at my sewing lines, look at everything. The thread line is just so perfect to me. I love it so much. And look at the lace. I didn't bleach this lace, it came like this, so it matches perfectly with my skin tone, and that's it. So I'm going to rock this wig straight for now and probably add some curls later, but I'm just so in love with the texture, the quality. So I'm gonna take a styling mousse to customize my little baby hair and also use it to like flatten the hair. And thank you guys for watching. That's all for today's wig making. I hope you guys learned one or two things. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Catch you guys next time. Bye bye.